My name is Mysha. I am 6 years old. Friends, today we are going to make science experiment. Balloon blow by itself. I am ready. We have bottle. This is empty water. Baking soda. Balloon. This is vinegar. Firstly, we need to put the baking soda in the balloon. One, two, three. Lastly, we need to open the vinegar and put into the bottle. Now, we need to take the balloon and baking soda into the bottle. Put in measure the balloon make it into bigger. Bigger is better. Now we need to shake it, and then into the balloon. Now we measure it. We have the balloon now. Tinta. Friends, you need to try at home. And don't forget to tell your mom and dad too. Thank you, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Aulad TV. Bye, friends.